Hello everyone. In our last video, we covered how the overall healthcare industry is being impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. However, there is a saying that crisis creates opportunity. Is there a silver lining in the healthcare sector that we all can look forward to? Let's hear it from the industry experts what they think the silver lining can be.
The silver lining and the opportunity is that we have learned to differentiate between a luxury and a necessity, between having something which is good and having something which is essential. This is a major lesson that we have learned. The other silver lining which I see from this lockdown is a better understanding of the use of digital media in keeping touch with our customers, doctors, our patients, and the entire supply chain. I also see that there is an increased expenditure on healthcare, which will result into increased demand, and therefore it's a silver lining for the pharmaceutical industry for the future. There's an increased investment in R&D, and we are also learning how to enter into collaborative R&D.
There are many positive takeaways from this crisis, and in my mind, they fall in three different buckets. Number one, I think it is forcing us to innovate. People are coming up with new ideas, exploring new ways of doing things, of collaborating, breaking their own mental barriers, things that they never imagined were possible. So it is forcing some kind of innovation in each of our roles and jobs. Second, I think it is forcing us to prioritize. With the resource constraints that are going to be there, companies will be forced to make trade-offs and choices. And interestingly, what they choose will also offer deep insights to us in terms of their culture and the cultural priorities. Companies always say we are very customer centric, or safety is our first priority. We care for our employees. Now will be the time to walk the talk and put the resources behind that when they are very scarce. And thirdly, I think it is forcing us to simplify. A lot of people who had a fascination for complex systems and elaborate processes have realized that agility and flexibility is going to be key, because with so much uncertainty, you need to be quickly able to adapt. So it is forcing people to simplify their strategy as well as the way they execute their strategy.
Digital and virtual space is something which was unexpected or not even anticipated a few months back. Nowadays we see doctor calls happening through video call. In fact, doctors also have started meeting up with patients virtually. E-commerce is also gaining traction. People can now place orders on various e-commerce platforms and buy their medicines, and I see this also having a huge potential in the coming months. So definitely a silver lining in terms of driving business priorities because of the COVID-19 scenario.
There is going to be a virtual interaction and office possibility, which will be enhanced, and it will give a good exposure. Limited use of medicine, because people have in last 2 months learned only to take the medicine which is needed. So that's going to be a very good impact in the total industry, in the retail, and in the, you can say, forecasting, and in the portfolio of many organizations and companies. Definitely people have understood the value of less, and that will create a different type of consumer, and that different type of relationship between retail and the consumer, because the medicine is reaching the home now. Students as a whole who will come into the professions in future will have an opportunity to do a different way of work. They will have an opportunity to do something which they don't have to reach the offices, they don't have to reach the workstations, but they can manage the work, they can learn new things, and that is going to be a big change. The functions like quality, regulatory, manufacturing, supply chain, training and development in the pharmaceutical industry will see a huge change and support of technology and artificial intelligence. Machine learning will come in, big data, which has been heard, will become a part of the supply chain and our day-to-day testing, data generation and analytical systems.
The one silver lining that I can see is there could be a positive side, would likely to benefit from increased awareness about healthcare and the more government focus that this endemic is likely to result in. Government would infuse economic stimulus for make local, promote global. This would enthuse the Indian manufacturing companies to develop all healthcare related equipments, instruments and materials, drugs and consumables, and make India less or zero dependent on the outer world for machineries and materials. On the contrary, I see that Indian industry would make a global presence or a presence of 40 to 45% of the share of global market, and India would benefit at a company at large.